Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a vertical text in Word. Simply take a new form and write a text. Okay. Now I make it to vertical text. Go to layout option. So as you can see, not showing it to specifically rotate to vertical, just showing it to rotate option, but this rotate option is gray out. So at first need to convert this text to image. To copy this, delete, press on to home, paste, press on, select this option, press on OK, and now make it to, and now convert this text to image. Select and go to layout. As you can see, showing it to rotate option, easily rotate this text and they will make it to vertical text. So that's it.